Yo, what's up? It's your boy. It's the boys. That boy named Dinah. Thank you. Thanks for coming back to the channel. We're about to get in. Yeah, this is our first meal of the camp day. Chicken, chopped suey, and rice with a whole thing of mayo.
Damn, Dinah.
He came to the table like, hey, can I get some?
Thank you.
Yeah. Shout out to my special guest. Julio. Ping Ping. Ulapong. My nigga Little James. Mama James. And some of our youth members. Hey, say what's up to my YouTube channel. Hey. This is the biggest mukbang you have ever seen. I need more food. But yo, we haven't eaten all day.
No.
Huh?
My guy is killing the sapa Suey though.
Okay. Babe,
What?
am I in the camera? No. Okay.
Where's that? You get it right.
I'm gonna bite you.
Oh. You still got my glasses? The one I found. Oh my God.
Oh, now you have to.
I love you.
We love you.
Because so and so here doesn't mean I have to.
Yes, you do.
Mommy.
We're not a trio for no reason.
I told you one and done. I'm proud of the flag.
Mommy.
Oh, the little drama on the mukbang right here. Pepe and Julio going. Something's going on in the trio.
Uncle D, Dean doesn't like it when you call him
Hey! You can fart.
Julio. Sorry. That's the first name I heard.
I know. I was so used to
He called you Julito.
calling him that. And then when he goes Eugene.
Bruh, you were introduced to me as Julio. So nigga use Julio, hey? Juliolito.
Lauren, can you use shower?
That's fine.
Go in one of the Walmart bags in the tent and look for this mosquito spray.
Bruh, do you even speak Spanish? Do you even understand it?
One of the
I'll do with my mom.
Walmart bags.
I know that's right. Yo,
You know what really works is the dryer sheet. You rub it on your body.
Oh, I have some.
It works.
so they're talking about remedies on how to keep mosquitoes away. And apparently, dryer sheets works the best. So, if you have mosquitoes in your area, go to your local dollar store and buy you a thing of Dollar Tree dryer sheets and rub it all over your body. It's also good if you didn't shower because it makes you smell good. So, yeah.
You attract flies.
Mommy. Go get some more.
Oh,
Some more
that
what?
boy hungry. He said, "Mommy, go get some more."
You never even finished that.
Open it.
Bro, I haven't ate mayo like this in a long time. Like,
Over there.
scoop.
Oh, she put it down, man. She's diamond.
Hey, you're gonna get my video copyrighted. Yeah, roll it. Oh my God.
Do you have nails?
She's been wanting to ask him.
Right here.
Auntie Lima.
She's been wanting to pass them out.
What is that?
Auntie Lima. She's gonna open it for you.
Oh my God.
Over there.
Can I get a real?
Get away.
I need a refill on this Suey. Hot dog. I need a favor for the mukbang.
Lawrence.
I need more Suey, please. My boy came with the drumsticks.
Go eat. Go eat. Where's your sisters at?
Bruh, this Suey is slapping.
Huh?
There's this dog. It was her. Ma. Oh.
Aren't you sharing the Walmart bag?
Hey.
Aren't you sharing the Walmart bag? Nothing.
What?
There was this small, cute dog that was founded over there, and it was and they needed help, so he picked it. Your sweater is in grandma's trunk.
But where's your sisters?
Zip it up.
They went with him. I was hard.
This is a church function. Love you guys. What? Ah, eat all of this. Right now. Eat all of this.
Bye, Anna. Yeah.
Get it, Uncle.
Yo, they're like two of them. I'm gonna lie. That's how Suey slaps.
Hey, look in the cooler and grab my pork.
If you guys don't know what Suey is, it's chop suey, okay? In English. You know what? I heard suey actually originated from Polynesians. The Asians just gave it a name.
Chop suey.
Like,
Sully,
one
you
of
done?
them.
Huh?
Mm.
You done? Okay. Come in. Go wash your hands.
Yo, are you done already? One guest down. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, she just walked away. What the?
Somebody help that child.
Don't waste that.
Oh, that's what she was waiting for?
So,
Anna, is this yours?
but
The chicken with
no.
Don't touch the guitar.
Oh, this was hers next year, Tessino? Excuse me. It's all about fellowship, Jalea. Fellowship, right?
What are some facts you want the people to know about you?
Lawrence.
Oh.
Yo,
Sitting there.
let me tell you, this guy grew out of nowhere. Like, short Mexican, I don't know, when the first time I seen him, and goddamn, 6'1" now? Hot damn. In a matter of like a year and a half, 2?
Just about. On the money, 92.
Okay, here.
This one on the money, 92.
Football. My boy plays for, what school again?
Western Oregon.
Okay.
Lawrence, go get me some ice cream.
No, what's in Oregon?
Everyone didn't eat. Not everyone ate.
Damn, I can't even get out. I'm too
There's
tall.
a huge cooler
Where?
right by the table.
Oh. You were getting mad at me? Recording there? Yes, sir.
Woo.
Not everyone ate.
It's dark, so we'll just do this.
Did you
Sorry.
get food?
Only good chicken.
Here's the food. Yo, my mayo
It would have been nice.
still looking like a mountain. Hot damn. There's a lot of mayo.
Damn, I think you got my pocket early. No? No, it's all good. It's like, yeah, we're up here till 1 o'clock for 2,
Yeah,
1 o'clock eating.
there's no coffee. I don't know where they.
Unless you make all the noise. Dude, they were tripping about the radio.
Nigga really came over here to.
Broad daylight.
How you really feel though?
That is Fritos. Who's Fritos?
I got food.
Oh.
It's
It's
by the way.
been there.
Yo, we got some new guests on the show.
Hi.
Tell them your names.
Oh, what's up?
Niece Princess and Niece Diva.
Subscribe to this man's channel.
What's the intro? What's the intro?
Yo, what's up, it's your boy. It's the boy. It's that boy named Diner.
Welcome back to the channel.
Oh, hold on.
See my little fans? Oh my gosh. My families. These are my little dynamites. Oh, Mike.
Vamos.
Boy, get over here with your... He's over here hiding. I better hide over here. Nobody knows this girl.
Dang, I was in a lot of your videos.
Huh? You were in a lot of them.
Just right here. Ew.
No, it's not food. Or maybe my water dripped over there. Because I'm still dripping.
No. Wait.
Are you going back in?
Oh, it's my
No.
It's my
I'm
dress
not.
that's wet. Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's your shower.
Hey, babe, who's your parents?
Miles, stay in here, okay? Don't go outside the white.
Why does that sound so familiar?
That'd be so fun.
We need a door.
Tomorrow, I'm gonna go canoeing and do that other stuff.
Damn.
What?
What?
This is hella far.
Basically, this.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
Hey, Uncle, I saw your new video you posted with eating.
The 16 hot dogs?
Yeah.
I know.
Alligator. I'm gonna bite you.
Is that by Melanie? It slaps. It's good.
Uncle, this is coming off. The watermelon juice is coming off. Oh, that's scary.
Aloha.
Oh my god. Yeah. I love it. You better know where it's at.
Miles, they're biting my finger.
But like it's scary demon boy.
On my foot. That's okay.
Mom, did the kids come back?
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell the fuckers.
It was like they were
I'm trying to see if I remember who your parents are.
Yeah. All the kids?
Not
They was
me.
going to the water to basketball court. Water to basketball court.
I was going to
You're-
basketball court back here.
You're
basketball
related
court,
to...
back here.
You're
Basketball
related
court.
to Prim, huh?
And this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see. I remember.
Johnny's happy. Miles, Miles.
I want to sit in the front of the tent that has all the snacks.
I have no idea what you're talking about. Okay. I think we're about to end this mukbang. But yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you guys tomorrow. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys here tomorrow. I'll probably upload Monday. All 3 videos.
Follow me on Twitch.
Yo. Follow me on my new IG.
Follow me on Twitch. Trying to plug my Twitch channel.
I know. I seen the picture.
Trying to plug my Twitch channel. Trying to.
remember you guys' date.
Done. You think you can put my the link to my Twitch channel in your description?
I will put my link to my YouTube channel in my description.
That's what I was expecting. When
Yo,
Why if you're watching?
don't forget to follow me on my new IG,
was
strictly for the music.
and I was like, yes. Yeah, it's like
That's okay.
the other one is like
Follow me on
Yeah.
Twitch at log_2086.
like no shower.
Bye, y'all.
Yeah,
Say bye.
it was a quarter.
Say bye. Ooh, them eyes, though, girl. Scary demon child.
Jalea.
Take it to the.
Outside of nowhere when I said
Bye, guys.
There's other ones.
Don't follow him on his Twitch, okay?
Please do.
Follow Jesus before you follow me, okay? Bye. Love y'all.